A vision for a Viksit Bharat 2047. Self-reliant, technologically advanced and inclusive. Odisha takes pride in contributing to this national aspiration through its vision of Viksit Odisha 2036. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi visited Singapore to foster partnerships that bring cutting-edge technologies and industries to India. This includes a strong focus on the pivotal semiconductor sector. Taking the vision ahead, Government of Odisha is nurturing a future-ready skill ecosystem, empowering youth with industry-relevant opportunities. The collaboration with ITEES Singapore is set to transform the TVET landscape in Odisha with a strong focus on semiconductor-related skilling. This initiative aligns with the global demand for semiconductors, a foundation of modern electronics and digital innovation, enabling Odisha to build a robust talent pool for this high-growth sector. Complementing the semiconductor sector, the Precision Engineering Facility will serve as a cornerstone of advanced skill development. By fostering skilling in semiconductor assembly and manufacturing, Odisha positions itself as a key player in the global supply chain. Additionally, plans include the establishment of a skilling facility for IT and ITES in emerging technologies like cloud computing, blockchain, data science and AI applications. Further, there will be cutting-edge courses in green energy, aerospace, marine engineering and many more. With support of ITEES, the state will establish zonal industrial training institutes, introducing new-age trades, enhancing intake capacities and fostering a robust industry engagement. Through global expertise and training, Odisha is poised to become a hub for innovation and industry-ready skilling. The vision of Viksit Odisha 2036 is taking shape, reinforcing India's journey towards Viksit Bharat 2047.